Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive deep into QuickBooks Money app review to help you decide if this app actually worth it. To get started, QuickBooks Money is a free financial app built for freelancers, gig workers, and small business owners who want a simple banking, invoicing, and fast payment, all without a full QuickBooks subscription. It includes a free business checking account, easy invoicing tools, and instant access to funds with no extra fee. Its biggest strengths are the zero monthly cost, instant payouts, smooth invoicing, and payment setup. It's a great tool for managing incomes and expenses with just starting out or running a lean solo business. However, its limitations with no full account features like a double entry bookkeeping payment or a bill pay. It also relies on Green Dot Bank, which has limited ATM and deposit option, and also support is more basic compared to full QuickBooks plan. QuickBooks Money is the best for side hustlers and freelancers who want fast, simple money management with the overhead. It's not ideal for growing businesses with complex financial needs, but for solo users, it's also a solid no-cost option.